Today I will give you my special recipe for natural toothpaste that you're gonna wash your teeth and wash your mouth, and you get perfect healthy teeth and also oral cavity. We will add something mildly abrasive to our recipe, which will be baking soda. We will mix baking soda with few other very important ingredients, and we will have perfect way to help the health of the oral cavity. My recipe will include couple very healthy ingredients. First is baking soda. Second one will be coconut oil. Third one is one of my favorites. It will be spice that is called Ceylon cinnamon. My recipe for toothpaste and oral health is 4 small spoons of organic coconut oil, 2 to 4 small spoons of baking soda, 1 small spoon of xylitol powder or stevia, and 1 small spoon of Ceylon cinnamon. All these ingredients you put in 1 glass jar with a lid, and you mix it well together. Coconut oil and Ceylon cinnamon naturally destroy harmful bacteria and gently protect the teeth and oral cavity. You can use organic ginger powder instead of Ceylon cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon had so good health properties, also is very aromatic. But if you want to choose, you can choose Ceylon cinnamon, or maybe you could switch it and use organic ginger powder. Both of these natural ingredients, it will be so good for your oral health. Add natural sweeteners like stevia or xylitol to the paste, because the paste will be healthier and give you better taste in the mouth. This toothpaste can also be used by children. Use this toothpaste twice a day to remove tartar and plaque and naturally preserve the health of the teeth and natural composition, of course, and health of the oral cavity. Use toothpaste and brush your teeth for the 15 consecutive days. After 15 consecutive days, give yourself a rest. 15 next days. After that, you can repeat all this procedure again. And this is one of the best toothpaste that you can imagine, and it's going to preserve your oral health.